What's up, guys? Please ignore the barking dogs in the background. So I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys how I'm finishing off my day, okay? I had a couple of the viewers of the channel, the awesome viewers of the channel, ask Joe, how do you stay lean and stay full? This is one of the ways, okay? I also recently came out with a video talking about why I don't feel it's probably the best idea for teenagers to use fat burners, okay? Especially when you know tricks like this, because at the end of the day, you can take as many fat burners as you want. They're not gonna help you if you don't eat properly. They won't do anything for you. So I wanted to show you guys this. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see. This is 800. I moved the plate, so it's a little bit different now. But it's 800 grams of strawberries. That is a ton of strawberries. Look at my hand. You see this? Now, why do I have so many strawberries? I have so many strawberries because these strawberries, 800 grams, are I think like 200 calories. That's 800 grams. Guys, I measured it out on the food scale. 800 grams of strawberries. You do the math, it's like 200 and something calories, right? So you are able to eat so much food. This is how I'm ending my day. This is my dessert. Okay, I've eaten dinner. This is my dessert. This entire plate of food, delicious food, is only 200 calories. Now, what am I doing to make it even better? I don't know if you guys are into this. I like using the Splenda liquid. You can buy a natural, something natural, like allulose. You can use this all natural liquid sweetener, okay? You can pour this onto the strawberries, okay? Tonight, I'm using the Splenda. A lot of the time, I'll use the allulose. So I'm taking the Splenda liquid. I am pouring it all over the strawberries. That's going to make the strawberries, the frozen strawberries, even sweeter, okay? Not only that, since they're frozen strawberries, the Splenda is going to freeze on the strawberries, which creates like a hard, sweet shell. And it's like really delicious. It's like gourmet stuff right here, guys. Okay? So much food, so few calories. It's incredible, okay? So you do that. And what I've been doing lately I've also been adding 0-calorie maple syrup, okay? 0-calorie maple syrup. You get any brand you want. They make a million brands out there. And you just pour it all over. And look at that. How beautiful does that look? That's it, guys. That's one of the hacks that I have. This is what I've been doing lately. As you go along your journey of losing weight, you learn more and more tricks. You get different ideas. You do all these things. I'm just trying to document these for you because I feel like this might help, okay? Tons of food for almost no calories. That's what you want to do when you want to have healthy, sustainable weight loss. All right, guys? Talk soon. Be safe. Catch you all at the next video. Look at how awesome this is, okay? This is like incredible. All that liquid I poured on it froze. Ugh, look at that. Crunchy, hard shell. Really cool. It's all good.